Alright, look at this. Christmas decorations. Wow, this is nice. Here at the Sugarland Ice and Sports Center in Sugarland, Texas. So take a picture of the Christmas trees. And you know what that means. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Look at all those decorations. Christmas tree and a Santa penguin.
Everywhere you go,
This looks awesome.
take a look at the 5 and 10.
Look at all those ornaments on the ceiling. This is nice. Wow. Alright, what we're going to do is, for a holiday celebration, we're going to take a ride on the elevator. Even though it's a Schindler, it still runs great, even though I'm not too big a fan of it. But we're going to ride it though. Here's the elevator right here, we're going to ride it. So here we go.
Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere
Here it is.
There's
Here we
a
go.
tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well.
I'm gonna go to
a
2.
sturdy pine that doesn't mind the snow.
Ooh, that door
It's
slammed
beginning
so
to
hard.
look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is
We're
the
two.
carols that you sing right within your heart. A pair of hop-along boots and a
Oh, it's
pistol
dark up
shoots
here.
is the wish of Avery and Ben. Dogs will talk and go for
I guess
a walk
they're
is the
having a
hope
meeting
of
for the
Ellie and
registration
Jen.
up there. There's the ice skating rink right there. There's Zambonium or
It's
whatever
beginning
it's
to
called.
look a lot like Christmas. Soon the
Take another ride on this
bells will
elevator here.
start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carols that you sing right
Alright,
within
gonna go back down now.
your heart. Right
Get a cab first.
within your
Close the door.
heart.
It's just your basic Schindler elevator. This looks very nice. These are your fixtures right here. MT. Inspection certificate. Here's your phone. Alright, now we're going to go back down the one. Here we go. Strange, there's no chime on it. Alright, here we are at 1. Now watch the elevator close. There it goes. Ooh, bang! That's it. Why don't we get one more view of the Christmas decorations? Look at this. It's awesome. Oh, it's awesome. Look at that. Alright, there's one more view. I want to get a view from the outside. There's that Thanksgiving sign right there. Wow, look at all the snowman. Look at that snowman right there. Sleigh rides, ice skating. Alright, there it is, and I don't know if you can see it that well. There, alright, that's it.